My life won't change unless I do. That's the truth we all know but rarely face. We wait for something, a sign, a miracle, a lucky break, but change doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who move. For so long, I told myself I'd change one day. When things got easier, when I felt ready, when life gave me a chance. But that day never arrived because it's not life's job to change me. It's mine. My life won't change unless I stop waiting and start acting, unless I stop dreaming and start doing, unless I stop talking about what I want and start building it brick by brick, day by day. No one is coming to save you. Not your family, not your friends, not luck, only you. Change starts the moment you stop expecting others to fix your life and start taking responsibility for it. You can't keep blaming the world, your past, or your situation. Growth begins when you look in the mirror and admit, it's on me. Your effort, your discipline, your choices, every action you take or avoid, it's shaping the life you live right now. Change is personal. It's not about proving anyone wrong. It's about proving yourself right. We all have dreams, but most dreams die waiting for the right time. The truth is there is no perfect time, there's just now. Start before you're ready, start when you're scared, start when you have no idea how it'll work, because waiting kills more dreams than failure ever will. Every step you take, no matter how small, builds momentum. You don't need to see the whole staircase, just climb the next step. The people who change their lives aren't the ones who had it figured out, they're the ones who started anyway. You are where you are because of the choices you've made, and that's powerful. Because if your choices got you here, your new choices can get you somewhere better. Owning your decisions means accepting your mistakes without shame and learning from them instead of running from them. It's realizing that your life is a reflection of your habits, not your hopes. Once you own your choices, you take back your power. You stop being a victim of life and become the author of your story. Let's be real, change hurts. Discipline hurts. Growth hurts, but so does regret. The pain of discipline weighs ounces. The pain of regret weighs tons. When you push through discomfort, when you wake up early, when you keep going after rejection, when you choose effort over excuses, you're building a stronger version of yourself. Pain isn't punishment, it's preparation. Every challenge, every failure, every setback is shaping you into the person who can handle what you've been asking for. Don't run from pain, use it. Perfection is a trap. It convinces you to wait until you're ready. But consistency, showing up every single day, that's what builds greatness. You don't have to be the best today. You just have to be better than yesterday. 1% growth every day leads to massive change over time. The secret isn't motivation, it's routine. Winners don't win because they feel like it. They win because they keep showing up when others quit. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. The small steps you take today will become the giant leaps of your tomorrow. Your life will only rise to the level of your self-belief. If you don't believe you deserve more, you'll never go after it. You must silence that voice in your head that says you can't and replace it with one that says, I can and I will. Belief is power. It's what separates the people who dream from the people who achieve. When you believe you're capable, you start acting like it, and when you act like it, you attract results that match that energy. Confidence isn't arrogance, it's self-respect. It's knowing your value and refusing to settle for less. Motivation is temporary, discipline is forever. You won't always feel inspired, but you can always choose discipline. Discipline is waking up when the alarm rings, even when your body says no. It's doing the work when nobody's watching. It's choosing long-term success over short-term comfort. Excuses are easy, discipline is rare, but that's why it's powerful, because few people do it. And the ones who do, they build lives most people only dream about. So every time your mind says, "I'll do it tomorrow," remind yourself tomorrow won't change unless you do something today. So here's the truth: no one's coming to turn your life around. No miracle, no moment, no magic switch. It's you. It's always been you. You are the one who decides when enough is enough. You are the one who chooses to rise after every fall. You are the one who turns pain into power, failure into fuel, and dreams into reality. Your story isn't over, it's just unwritten. But every second you hesitate, every excuse you make, every opportunity you ignore, that's another page left blank. So don't wait for a perfect tomorrow, create it today. Take the first step, build your own momentum. Become the kind of person who doesn't just wish for change but creates it. Because when you finally decide to show up for yourself, when you stop waiting for the world to change and start changing yourself, that's when everything begins to shift. The truth is simple, but life changing. Your life won't change unless you do, and the time to change is now.